Hello, and welcome to the showcase video of Version Control System IBM Doors Next extension. This extension was developed by Softacus to provide the solution to multiple challenges that users can face when trying to use the configurations inside IBM Doors Next tool for change management and versioning of the requirements. IBM Doors Next, as part of the IBM Engineering Lifecycle Management Suite, offers powerful capabilities for managing requirements across different configurations using the configuration management features enabled through Global Configuration Management. These features allow teams to work with multiple parallel versions of requirements, such as baselines, streams, and components, in a controlled and traceable manner. When it comes to configuration comparison, Doors Next enables users to view differences between two or more configurations, such as between a baseline and a stream, or across different streams. This comparison highlights changes in artifacts, attributes, links, and hierarchy. However, while basic comparison tools are built into the platform, the native interface can be limited in terms of depth and user-friendliness, especially when detailed attribute-level comparisons are required. For cross-configuration change delivery, Doors Next provides the ability to reuse using cloning feature, branch, and merge requirement artifacts. This is done through change sets controlled packages of changes that can be reviewed and delivered selectively. Teams can perform change set delivery to move approved updates between configurations, maintaining full traceability and auditability. Although all of these features are available in Doors Next, users and project managers may reach a point where delivering changes becomes problematic due to dependent changes, for example. That's why we in Softacus decided to develop Version Control System extension, which is a powerful solution designed to enhance configuration and change management within IBM Engineering Requirements Management Doors Next. This extension addresses a common challenge for engineering teams: the need to compare and manage changes across multiple requirement configurations without relying solely on baselines. By offering a flexible and intuitive interface directly within Doors Next, the VCS extension enables users to maintain full control over requirement updates while improving clarity, traceability, and collaboration. Without further delay, let's take a look at how the widget works in action. The extension's user interface is divided into two main sections: the mini dashboard and the comparison and delivery window. The mini dashboard user interface is used to define the modules and attributes for comparison, following a four-step process. Selection of the profile. A profile is a predefined set of configurations, modules, and attributes. It can be saved in the final overview for future reuse, allowing users to avoid reselecting the same properties each time they use the widget. If no profile has been saved previously, a message appears in the UI, and the user can proceed only by clicking the Next button. Second step in the mini dashboard UI is the selection of source configurations and modules. In this step, users choose the source configurations and modules that will be used for the comparison. By default, users can select up to 4 configurations, but this limit can be easily adjusted in the extension settings. By clicking the plus button, a pop-up window appears displaying a list of all available projects, along with their components, configurations, and modules. Users can select items either by double-clicking their names or by selecting an option and clicking the Next button. The extension supports all available configurations, whether global or local. The pop-up window will include them all. If the pop-up window contains too many entries, users can use the navigation controls to adjust the number of displayed items or to move between pages. Additionally, a text field is available to filter entries when the user knows the name of the desired configuration or module. In this way, the user can navigate and make selections across projects, components, configurations, including baselines and change sets, and modules. Once a selection is made, an overview is displayed in the mini dashboard UI, along with an additional plus button. This allows the user to either add another configuration or proceed to the attribute selection step. In the attribute selection step, the extension lists all attributes from the selected configurations, allowing users to choose only those that are relevant for their comparison. Again, if there are too many attributes to display, users can use the navigation controls or the text field filter to quickly locate the desired attributes. Additionally, an option is available to load attributes directly from the view of the selected module. This allows users to use either a personal or shared view to pre-select attributes for comparison. Once the user has selected the desired attributes, they can proceed to the overview step and optionally save the profile for future use. In this final overview step, users are presented with a summary of the selected source configurations and modules, along with an overview of the chosen attributes. At the top of the overview step, users have the option to save the profile. When clicked, they are prompted to enter a name for the profile and choose whether to save it as a personal or shared profile. Once saved, the profile will appear in the initial profile selection step, allowing the user to run the comparison without needing to reselect configurations, modules, and attributes. Afterward, the user can click the Finish button to start the comparison and open the Compare and Deliver window, which is the second part of the user interface as described earlier. The Compare and Deliver window displays a tree structure of the changed artifacts on the left side. Changes are color-coded by type, following the same visual style as Doors Next's native comparison. Yellow indicates added artifacts, blue indicates edited artifacts, and red indicates removed artifacts. When an artifact is selected in the tree, the right side of the window displays the details of its changed attributes based on the attribute selection made earlier. From the Details pane on the right, users can select individual attributes and choose to either accept or reject the changes. This selection determines whether the change will be merged into the target configuration when the Merge button is clicked. To streamline the process, an Auto Accept feature is available. This allows users to bulk accept or decline changes, which is especially useful when hundreds or even thousands of changes need to be reviewed and approved at once. To use this feature, the user must select at least one artifact using the checkboxes on the far left side of the window, or use the Select All option. Once selected, an action drop-down will appear, allowing the user to choose between bulk acceptance or rejection of the changes. Since the extension allows multiple source configurations to be selected, but changes can only be accepted from one configuration at a time, the user must specify both the configuration and the attribute to be accepted or rejected for the merge using the Auto Accept. As you can see, after using the Auto Accept feature, most artifacts are marked with an accepted icon. A few may display a warning icon, which indicates that the artifact contains multiple changed attributes, but at least one of them has not been accepted. To provide better clarity, an overview of the selected Auto Accept action is also included, allowing users to review and confirm their choices before proceeding. By default, the tree structure on the left side displays only the changed artifacts, along with their parent headings. This can be modified using the Show Full Hierarchy button, which expands the view to include all artifacts from the module, regardless of whether they have changed. In the upper right corner, there is a section displaying details of the original artifact, including all its attributes. This panel closely resembles the native right-hand pane in Doors Next when an artifact is selected. These are all the features and actions available to the user within the Compare and Deliver window. Once everything is properly selected, the user can click the Merge button to initiate the merge operation. The mini dashboard UI then displays a progress bar, and once the operation is complete, a pop-up window appears showing an overview of the merge results. If you have any questions or are interested in any of our Doors Next extensions, feel free to contact us at info.softacus.com or visit our website, where you can find numerous blog articles related to the IBM Engineering Jazz platform. You can also visit our YouTube channel, where we have more demonstrations of our extensions, as well as useful tutorial videos for various IBM ELM features. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.